I'm Elliot, I'm the head of R&D at F1. We're here at Cranfield Impact Centre, and today we're basically finishing off homologation of next year's car. So that involves 2 crash tests. So we've just done the first one, which is the frontal impact 1, which is to test the integrity of the nose. So we load the car up and the sled up to about 780 kilograms. We load the chassis onto the sled, strap it down, and that's then accelerated up to 15 meters a second and crashed into the wall. The next test is testing the integrity of the fuel cell and the bulkhead of the chassis. Again, crash at 15 meters a second. We don't want the fuel cell to leak, to cause any cracks around the bulkhead area. We don't have a nose fitted. We have a set of tubes that are fitted to the wall that we crash into. So they're just preparing for that. We should be ready to weigh the car just to make sure it's at the correct weight. That's us then ready to go testing.